Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your fund code into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the fund code, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application just simply tap into this icon in the top left corner. Simply tap there, and after tapping into there simply select your profile picture, and after selecting that you will get to see this option of security. Simply select security option and choose this font code, and after selecting font code you will get this change font code option into the very top. Simply select that, and after that you have to enter your new font code into this upper box. Then after that simply enter the similar font code that you have entered into the upper box in the second box. Then tap to submit button, and after doing this much you will get to see a new page where you can enter your verification code which you will get into your email address and authenticator code which you will get into your Google Authenticator. Then just simply tap to submit and your font code will be changed into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.